everybody, and welcome back to another one of our videos. Today we're down at the allotment again. As you can see, it snowed again yesterday, but we still have to come and do what we can. There's not much you can do in this weather, but you still got things that are need to do. As you can see, the plot is very got a layer of snow on it. I don't know about my garlics and my onions and that, because I see them starting to wilt down a bit, so I think they're meant to do that. I'll come up. Well, these ones that got my onions in there, you can see got a layer of snow on there, so those won't do nothing. I've got my chayote plant now. That's you can see that's perished now. That isn't coming back. My lilies that'll come, hopefully that'll come back. The only plants what like would survive this now is like your cabbages and your brassicas. Let's have a look in this polytunnel, see what's going on in here. The temperature in here is 1.6. So just move this watering can out the way. As you can see in here now, my peppers and that are starting to shrivel up, so I've got to take all that. My heads of broccoli are alright. My strawberries are alright. I see a few heads of Scotch bonnets around. I've got to see if I can get those off as well. I picked things, so something's been munching on that. So it's still my chilli plants all right. My spring onions are okay. This is my ginger, that's okay. All these chilies I've got to get off and maybe pickle them or do something with them instead of letting them go to waste. So that's telling me that there's a rodent, looks like a rodent or something, maybe voles or something's coming back in there, so I'm going to have to start putting back down some of my garlic spray and that in here. My carrots are okay for now. The temperature in here, this end of the polytunnel is 0.1 C, and the other end is the temperature's a bit higher up that end, which I don't know why one end is always warmer than the other. I see that there's water in the bottom of these pots, so it's only just to give these a little bit of water in. Just to wet the top of the soil. So that'll do. And these fennels are just keeling over now. I've got my turmeric there, that's still doing okay. My banana plants, well, they're not looking too bad for the temperature, but strawberries, these should be repotted already, but see them starting to shrivel up now. But my melon plants was all shriveled up, my hibiscus. So we're well and truly coming into the winter months now, so everything more or less is you've got to just get on top of it now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start picking off all these chilies and peppers and everything, everyone what I can see, pick them off, because I'm sure these are going to shred all the, well, they started shredding the leaves already. I had a couple of sweet potatoes here. You see there, there's a couple of sweet potatoes, those have come to nothing. A couple of sweet potatoes growing off of something down there. Might have to have a little dig down there and see if there's what's going on down there. So that's what's right. So let me go back out. Alright, let's go and have a look at these garlics up the front. I'm sure they've turned off the water now. Look, this is frozen over. Yeah, they've turned off the water, so we won't be getting any water for now. Right, and then these garlics here, you can see footprints of most probably a fox that's walking through there or something. But you can see a couple of the garlics have started to come through, and these ones are the other ones. Someone said that garlic needs a cold, so they were planted in time and everything, so hopefully they should be alright. What I wanted to do was finish these beds along here, and I wanted to get this grass trimmed, but the strimmer, I haven't heard nothing from them yet. This is where I got my koi that's frozen. So that just goes to show you how cold it is over here as well. So we're gonna get a bag or bucket or so. This is my Rashidio. And my cameraman come right over. It's starting to come now, and then some of them starting to keel over now. I don't think they were the cold. My carrots here. This is my spinach. Got one little coyote on there, but I don't think that's any. I'll pick that off in a minute, but I don't think it's gonna. I've got another one down here. Little ones can go in. Right, and this is where I started, and I wanted to come and finish it off, but you can't do nothing. Right, so the next thing I've still got all my lima beans on here. I mean, not developed yet, but I've got to take them, otherwise I ain't gonna get any. So I'm gonna do this, start with these, then I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so just gone through my limas and just picked all of them off before they perish themselves. So I've managed to get about half a bucket full of those. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go in a polytunnel and see if we can get some of the. I'm going to pick these two little chochos. I don't know if they're going to be usable, but I'll see about those. The cold might have got to them. Another one here. 3 little tiny ones. Can't see any more. So someone was saying this would come back next year, but we'll have to see how it goes. And we're going to see what we can do with these chilies in here. My hands are frozen, but you've got to just do what you've got to do, otherwise you'll just stand there all day doing nothing. So you've got, I think these are jalapenos. So I'm going to carry on with this and then I'll be back with you. Right, everyone, so we've managed to get our chilies off. I think these are jalapenos and I don't know what, well there's 2 different kinds, and I got Scotch bonnets, a few, and then these ones I think are just ripe. So if you've got a big jar, I'm going to have look and see if I've got a big jar at home and then pickle them, because we're not going to use all of them for now. And you can see that the plant has still got some developing, although the leaves would start falling off and everything now in here. I'm going to have a look at my ginger next time I come down. The turmeric, I'm sure I'm going to have to look this up, because I'm sure someone said to me that they take like I plant them this year now, I harvest them the next season. So I'm not sure about that, but I'm going to check. Or maybe I'm going to see if I can transplant them into a bigger pot. 'Cause I know that's like a 30-litre bucket, and this one with the ginger in is, I think this is a 35 or 40-litre. So I'm going to see if I can transfer them. And then I've got all these basket of fires. There's covered in chilies, but I'm going to see, leave those till next time, because I'm going to have to see about those. I'm going to have to water really lightly now, because they've switched off the water now. So it's only the water what I've got stored and the water in the tank. Lucky enough I've got a tank over outside, so when the weather gets mild on the top of it, the ice melts, then I can take that off. So that's about all I can do for today. I had some snowball onions to put in, but as you can see, you don't put in bulbs when the ground is frozen and that. I was thinking of putting them in this bed here, but I really don't want to grow no onions in here unless I have to. Still got a couple of weeks of the season left, so you can see the polytunnel roof's got snow on it and everything, so it's going to keep the in here cool. So I don't know what the temperature up there is now, but that's the temperature what it is in here. I've got one up this end, what's saying 0.226, and what's the lowest it's been? The lowest it's been is minus 0.0 so far, whatever that is. So like these peppers and that, might just give them just a little tip. Just a little tip of water, not a lot. They've got water in. I can see something was digging digging down in here as well. So just give them a little tiny bit, not a lot, just to give this ginger a little bit of water as well. Although the moisture stays in from the koi, my spring onions are okay, so I don't have to do it with those. So it's just now, it's just a tidying up phase, getting all these pots out, getting everything cleaned up and ready to put in your seedlings and everything. So that's it. So if you're liking our videos, please remember to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment, you can leave a comment in the comment section. We will get back to you. And please watch the ads. It's helping us now. We're sourcing seeds for next seasons and things for next season, which is what you should be doing now. If you go like to your gardening centres and all that, sometimes they have the seeds on that and at half price and all that. I have got some more tulip bulbs and everything to put in, but as you can see the ground is frozen, so I'm not going to attempt to do that now. So that's all you can do this time of the year. You still got to come, and if you've got a polytunnel and you've got things in there, you still have to take care of things. So hopefully we'll get there and come back a lot stronger next year for you. All these beds have already been prepped and all that and ready for plants. So when I come to the season now, I'll take out those broccolis and prep that bed. I know you can leave broccolis, they keep coming back if you take the heads off. If you take the heads off and that, they still keep coming back. But it's just one of those things now. You just got to keep on top of everything and hope for the best. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.